sec. I think I might have actually just got out the other side of that.
All right. I lost the Zoom window that had your screen, so I can only see the teeny tiny one in Discord.
Okay, there we go. So I'm going to go back to not being at work on my week off of fucking paid admin leave because I dared question the fact that my working to exhaustion um, was not sustainable.
You had to take a break from your vacation. Now you're back.
Yeah, I had to take a break for my vacation. So,
As one does.
yeah, so I think that you have like your deal minimized or whatever for Zoom. I'm seeing your screen right now, but let's go back to Visual Studio Code, okay?
Alrighty.
And we are going to show your screen again here,
Okay.
and then hit the up arrow on that terminal. Not that.
Ew.
That maximizes it. Like the up arrow on your keyboard.
Oh, duh. Try it again.
Hit enter. Go ahead and close Visual Studio Code and we'll open it up again.
Alright.
And click that clipboard to the right there, just while you have it handy there. I don't know if you had something else you had copied and pasted in the meantime we wouldn't want to expose on stream.
That is very true. Perfect. And then pull up.
And then you see how you're in workspace right now? How it does that automatically? Is that nice and magical? Type git space clone space and then right click.
Why is it working now?
Because you just installed the Git software package.
Oh, duh. Okay.
And the reason that it was not working is because you had instantiated the terminal and Visual Studio Code was instantiated before you had done the install. So that's why we had to close Visual Studio Code and reopen it back up. So, you know, it would... in Windows, it uses this thing called path. And there's a path in Unix, but the thing is, a Unix path you could change on the fly and it's no big deal. But on Windows, if something has already been run, it doesn't pick up the path until it's been closed and opened back up a second time when you change, you know, the path for your username, if that makes sense. Go ahead and click the little caret to the left of the AWS IAMTF template.
Where one more time. Oh, over here.
That,
yes.
yep. And variables.tf, double click on that.
Okay. Hey, okay.
And take your terminal and kind of minimize that a little bit, right? And here's a
On here?
trick that I wish, like more than that. You're gonna want
Oh,
to
okay.
like, yeah, down like that, maybe even a little smaller than that.
Really? Okay.
Yup, because you want to be able to look at your code, right? So you see there how it says on the bottom, line 1, column 1, spaces 2, UTF-8, CRLF, plain text on the very bottom right
Mm,
of Visual Studio Code.
yes.
Click on plain text. Dude can barely hear me. I don't know. I mean, my audio input here. So then type JSON. Oh wait, sorry. Never again. Oops.
That's
Um,
okay. I
yeah.
can just click
So
this.
that is just something. Hit auto detect,
Oh, okay.
and you're gonna want to get these extensions that's gonna ask you about for Terraform.
Okay.
Um, uh, um, did it pop up a thing that said we have a thing that could help you with .tf files or something?
It did.
Yeah, close
Um,
variables.tf
and
and open
reopen
it
it.
up again. See if we get that again. Oh,
I know
so
it was in the marketplace,
to the
so
left there, yeah, all the way on the bottom, the extensions.
yep.
Type that and then type in Terraform. And you want the one from HashiCorp. Syntax highlighting and autocomplete. Hit install in the bottom right there. Or there, whatever.
Oh, whoops.
Yeah.
Rocking and rolling. There we go. So then I can. Oh, there we go. It is installed.
Okay, then close that. And so now you see we
Ah,
got some syntax highlighting here. So there for the variable bucket name.
okay.
Um, go ahead and so the left or the right curly bracket, hit enter
Mhm.
twice.
In while I'm in
Yeah,
in the middle.
hit enter there just like that, so we get some space there. And you see how it auto indented like that?
It did, yeah.
Type default
Wow.
space equal space and then just two quotes. And you see how you hit quote one time, but it put two to close it out like that. And now you're going to want to
Yeah.
delete the line on top of it,
Okay.
like that.
Lovely. It kept the
And
indentation.
then hit file and then save.
I mean, leave default blank.
Yep.
Okay.
We're not worried about a bucket name right now.
I did hit save.
Okay. And so now, scroll down to
Oh,
your
oops.
console. Sorry.
It's all right.
You might want to bring that up a little bit, just because, yeah, the way the screen's rendering. So here, you're gonna want to type get and then status. And hit enter.
Enter.
Yeah.
Okay.
Um. Oh, sorry. CD, and then type AWS, and then hit tab. And hit enter.
Oh.
And now type get status. So you see there how it says your branch is up to date with Origin Master. Changes not staged for commit. Right.
Okay.
Type get space add space and then period. Sorry,
Space
like
add.
space bar. Get add is what we're looking for.
Oh.
Space
Okay.
and then the period. Hit enter. Now type get status. And you see how you have the thing that has
Hey.
1 on the left there and the version control? Click on that.
Yes.
So it's going to let you try to do source control and everything from here, like the cheap way in the IDE. I'm going to make you grind it out in on the console and by manually typing it in, because this will serve you very well when you are doing this on Linux instead of on Windows with Visual Studio Code. So 2 to the left, at the top, like right beneath the Visual Studio Code icon, the like files thing there, click on that.
Okay, so wait, 2 to the left of
Yeah,
one?
sorry, I'm going too fast here. 2 icons above where the little 1 thing is at. It looks like files. Yeah, the
Oh,
Explorer. Click on
okay.
that. And now
Oh,
you see if you stop highlighting variables.tf and click
so if
on
I
something
like click
else,
once, yeah.
you see how it says M and it's like highlighted there? That
Yeah.
means that it is modified, right?
Oh,
So now
that's neat.
you have uh, changes that are to be committed. So go back to your terminal and type
Okay.
git space commit, like commit Philip Hawking to the psychiatric hospital dash AM.
Oh, dash A M as in
Yeah, you
Mary.
need a space between the commit and the AM though.
Oh, duh, it's a flag.
And then
Ooh.
double quotes. Um, adding default value to uh, bucket, and that should be good. Hit enter.
Okay. Please tell me who you are. Oh my goodness.
And so you're going to want to make sure that that matches when you run git config there. You're going to want to make sure that that matches your email.
Which it does not. Oh, wow, that's very interesting. How do I change?
So you type git space config and then the 2 dashes global and then user.email and then the stubborntext at gmail.com.
No, do I need quotes?
Yeah, just like it says in
Okay,
the usage there.
perfect. Okay, and then
And then the global username, just your first dot last name.
if I can just do stubborn Texan.
I mean, if you want to, but I mean, like you're creating your own personal brand and it's your name. Like you could be stubborn Texan on the internet, but I mean, like this is
Mm.
going to be something that like employers look at as like your code. Like you could have a funky handle, but you still want to put your name on your code that you write so people see it and know that it's yours.
That's true. It's just one of those just now getting creating a presence online, but
Mm-hmm.
also wanting to stay in the, in between the boundaries of, okay, this is safe and appropriate to have your name out there versus maybe you should just use, your little goofy handle to keep things, you know,
Right, right.
kind of. And so that's even my earlier, whenever registering the domain, I'm like, well, should I just put like stubborn Texan so that way it doesn't really get traced back to me? So, like for the address, I figured it would, it'd be safer to do like a PO box instead, but just we're doing it live,
We're doing it.
literally.
Fuck it. Let's do it live.
No,
And
didn't
now,
know you were supposed to be the full quote.
hit the up arrow a few times till you get to your git commit again. Then hit enter.
Here we go. Yeah. Right.
I think you might have just closed out of the Zoom, or did I? Did the Zoom just die?
It
Wait.
still has my
Okay.
little green
Cool.
box.
Sweet. Nice. It
Yay.
just flubbed on my computer for a second. Um,
Hepcac.
so
Yeah.
now type git push.
Oops. Caught me mid sip. All right. Git push.
Mm-hmm. Origin. And this one is not politically correct because I just haven't refactored it. Master. But
Oops. No.
I take hit enter, no quotes. And I take this pretty seriously, you know, the whole like inclusivity in tech and everything.
Yeah.
So type 1.
Mhm. Oh. Okay. But now we want to use it as Chrome.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you were talking about, you're big on inclusivity
Mm-hmm.
in
Yeah,
the
well,
tech
I take diversity, equity, inclusion so fucking seriously. It's ridiculous. Hit authorize. Like for how
Yeah.
vulgar and politically incorrect I am, man. Like I am really like like don't get me wrong, I have a shitload of character defects, but I'm really woke in a lot of fucking ways. You know, like I take
Nobody's perfect.
I take I take inclusivity very seriously. I try to like if we ever end up being friends on Facebook, you will see that I take your typical conservative Christians to task vehemently and violently for opposing LGBTQIA rights, Black Lives Matter, all that, fucking simping for cops thin blue line shit. Like, I hate all that, man. I really fucking hate all that. Um, so local host refused to connect.
I know that's what's weird.
Close that
Um okay. Oh well, we don't need that either.
and
Uh,
try to go
let's
back
figure that.
to Visual Studio Code again.
Yeah. And do we just
Oh,
retry
so
or
you
no?
see that right there? How it says delta compression, writing objects, remote resolving deltas. You just made your first commit, friend. If you go to your GitHub repository and look at that tab, you will
Oh,
see that
wait, which one? Oh, it's Terraform. Why
yeah,
was I even?
hit F5 because that'll refresh your, unless you have a funky like laptop,
I do. I have to hit just
the
the keyboard
function
itself.
thing. Yeah.
F5 would just start playing something. Some play button. So okay, add a default. Check it out. Obviously, we have an error or something, but it doesn't matter. This is what matters for me.
Right. Right. So
Ah,
you just
awesome.
updated the variables, and so now if you go back to your run in Terraform Cloud,
Uh-huh.
and then click
Let's try
on
it again.
runs. Wait, to the left of the specific run, there's the thing that says runs. Yeah, there you go.
I've had those on occasion,
Click
but let
on
me see.
that where it says errors.
Okay.
Um, any root module containing sensitive data to be explicitly marked as sensitive to confirm your intent. You do intend to export this data, annotate the output value as sensitive by adding. Now this, so Terraform just came out with Terraform 1.0.
Mm-hmm.
This is the first time I have seen this specific error because we
Yay!
have Terraform 1.0, right? So
Right.
the thing, uh, any root module output containing. So what it's doing is it's saying that this output is sensitive, and you need to mark it as sensitive by adding the following arguments. So I
Okay.
guess we're gonna go back to our IDE. We're gonna go back to Visual Studio Code.
Okay. And then, but what is so output it? So it just needs to be in here.
Well,
So
go back to
in
VS
line
Code,
4.
and then yeah. So line 4. I
Hmm. That's not
shit,
even
man.
it. Oh, you know what? It's gonna be here. Line
No, it was
four. Nope.
output.tf. That's
Ah,
what it was.
thank you.
So you see Instant Manager secret key. So then click there. Yep, and then hit enter. It'll keep your indenting. Sweet. And then hit file save.
Look at me. Oh my goodness.
And
I'm already a
then go back
professional.
to your terminal.
Okay. And
Type
then re.
git space add space dot.
Okay.
Hit enter.
Enter.
Mm-hmm. Then hit get status, and this is just get you used to checking your status, right? So you see there now you have changes to be committed, right? So type git space commit space am. A is for all
Oh,
dash am. Yeah, sorry, one dash.
oops. One dash.
Yeah,
Oh, there we go.
am. A is for all. M is for message. And
Lovely.
then
Okay.
double quote, and then marking secret key as sensitive for TF 1.0. And then double
Ooh, it really
quote,
did a space. Gross. There we go.
and then double quote, and hit enter. Git
Mm.
push origin master.
Done counting out $2.
So I'm gonna mute your display here,
Yeah.
and let's go back to the Terraform run.
That is super cool. Okay, so just put that there so you can still see it. Terraform run. Do it
Yeah,
again.
click on runs. So when you go to runs, you see there. So there you go. You're
Ooh.
planning now. Click on that planning, and then that will show you the plan as it goes live.
It's so neat. Oh my goodness. We're in. Oh, that's that. Okay, I remember seeing that in Git.
And then hit
No,
confirm
not
and apply.
sensitive value. This is so exciting.
And here is the ultimate,
Let's go.
the ultimate commit slash pull request slash anything. That's capital LGTM. Looks good to me.
Yes.
And click on
And an
confirm.
exclamation point.
Bam, boom.
Oh, that's so
We're fucking
exciting.
developing, bruh. We're
are.
developers, 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 developers. Developers,
Really
developers, developers, developers.
Oh, yeah, I'm glad I'm blacked out for that.
Right?
I need to fix the IT on this.
Give me a moment here. So I'm not sure, when you have a sensitive key,
Okay.
I'm not sure how you're going to get that. Can you click on that value where it's like dotted out like that?
It is dotted out, but remember,
Can you click on it?
No.
Okay, so.
But don't we have access to the secret key already?
Oh wait, so you see there how it's like you're hovering over
check
it?
it out.
Yeah. So right click on it and see if it'll let you copy it. Or so it looks like it's letting you mouse over it. But there's no way for you to copy and paste that. That's a real pain in the ass.
But yeah, there is. Hold on. There that Excel sheet that they sent me.
No, that's a different. This is a different access key. This is we just created this. It's an instance managed user. So this is different from your root account, right? Your root account has an access key, and we used that access key to generate this instance managed user. And this one has like this access key. It can't log on to your it can't log on to your Amazon console and look at your like payment information or credit card information, right? and it can't
Mhm.
and it can't like like uh all it can do is make uh the, those things that are in that policy that we were just looking at, that JSON that defines that policy, it can only
Mhm.
do those things. So like it could spin up S3 buckets. It could spin up freaking EC2 instances. It could spin up uh, CloudFront distributions and Route 53 zones and whatever. But it can't it doesn't have complete traversal over your account. It has a limit on what it can do, right? So go ahead and copy that, and we're gonna make a
You. Oh,
new Bitwarden for it.
all right. Now, would I need this first, the access key over here, or was that
We'll just
something we already have?
copy. I mean, it's up to you, however you want to do it. I
Okay.
normally put the access key in there first, and then for name, you're gonna want to do a Terraform IAM instance manage user, and it's instance and then capital M.
Okay. Oops, I should have used
No,
you.
it's not a capital I. It's just a lowercase I and then a capital M. I think, if I recall off the top of my head. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
And then,
And put it in the tech
so we,
folder. So the thing is,
what?
you can't copy and paste. Like when you click off of this, and this is an irritating user interface thing about Bitwarden. When you click
Okay.
off of this, it's going to go away, right? So
And I'm gonna have to redo it all again.
yeah, so you can hit the AK, like the access key.
Hmm. Well, hold
Which
on.
one do you have on your clipboard?
The one that's in the notepad.
Fuck yeah, then
So
just paste it
this
right
would be
there.
the secret key.
Well, you know that the access key always starts with A.
Oh.
So just paste it and put and then that one, just type that one by hand up top like that. Perfect. Perfect.
And then type this by hand.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Word.
And then hit save in the upper right.
And
Oh yeah.
that's so sucky that I don't have. Hmm?
Oh, you don't you have a tech folder that you made?
I do, but
It's not showing up. Oh well, hit save.
yeah, yeah, we can fix it.
We can fix all the things all the time. And I don't know. Oh, there you go. Sweet.
Cool. And then
Dope.
no, that's such baloney though. Because
Well, I mean, if you type in the search window, it'll come up, right? Or no, you have the IAM manager, whatever. Let's not
I
even
was
worry
hoping
about
it
the
would.
folder for right now. That's
Sure.
fucking clown shoes. Let's try to get this shit live, man. Let's
All right.
I only got like another 70 minutes before I gotta go pick up my kid.
Alrighty. So let's see. So we've got this here. I believe you need to be
I'm gonna go
here,
back
but
to sharing your screen here.
okay.
Okay, so um da, 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 da. What is our next step? Okay, so now we have that. Now go back to Terraform Cloud
Okay.
and go to your workspaces. Then go to the AWS Ghost Dev there.
Okay.
And then hit Configure Variables. And you're going to want to Oh, also, go to your GitHub deal here on the right tab, and you're gonna want to go to the other repository, right? And also, did you slap like and subscribe on this one? Can you hit star and watch on this?
You bet. Oh wait, no, this one's mine.
Oh,
Let me do it on
yeah,
yours.
so
Hold on. I
yeah,
think I already did though.
slap like
Oh, I did
and watch,
already.
yeah. Yeah,
Uh,
participating in mentions, all activity. Fuck
oh
it,
yeah,
whatever, dude.
whichever. How come
Mhm.
it doesn't list as a one? There we go.
Nice.
All right.
So, uh, there you go. Now the same thing with this, where it has code. Click on that.
Now this is yours, or am I going to go to mine?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, go to yours. Apologies.
No problem. No, you're
Thanks
okay.
for paying
Um,
better attention than I am.
I told you I'm excited to learn everything. So code
And then
and
click
copy
on
paste
that.
and
Yup.
okay.
And go here. And now you're gonna want to, type cd space dot dot.
Even though I'm already in here.
Yeah,
Oh,
because
space
that's
dot dot.
you're in the
Uh,
IAMTF template.
yeah.
Now you're into the workspace. You're gonna want to type git space clone space like the space bar.
Oh my god, I don't know why I keep thinking you're saying base.
All your base. All your base are belong to us.
Mm-hmm.
Move zig. You know what to do, so take off every zig. And then right click.
Okay. Do I need to do quotes or anything?
Nope. Right click. Bam.
Okay.
Oh,
Already
sorry. So
the
you clone the IAMTF template. You need to clone the AWS Ghost Dev. So
duh.
yeah. But see, isn't it cool how it tells us all these things?
It is. And then you're saying I go
Yeah.
to dev or just
No, the code thing there. You're just want to click on that and that. Because when you clone it, you're cloning the entire thing, all the branches.
okay. Okay, and we're cloning it. This
And
is
so now you can hit the
exciting.
caret to the left of the AWS TF template, and then to the
Oh,
right of the Ghost one, or you know what I mean.
yeah.
Yeah, you got it.
I got you. We're here.
Now you see
Click
variables,
button.
the variables.tf.
Yes.
So now we got a whole bunch more variables, right? We have the access ID and the secret key. And you
Yep.
notice how the access ID is different. This one is AWS underscore access ID.
Okay.
This is a more recent project of mine that I never went back and refactored the old one, even though I probably should, and it would take me not even 5 minutes. But so you're going to want to. I'm gonna black out your screen here. Well, first, actually, go ahead and go to your Terraform workspace,
Okay.
and for variables, hit add variable, and then AWS underscore access, and underscore
Isn't it
was it
key or
was it key or ID?
ID and
ID.
secret key? Okay.
Yeah.
Ah.
AWS access ID.
Keep me on my toes.
And I'm gonna mute your screen here real quick.
Yeah, I was just typing right. All
And
right.
then go back up to Bitwarden again and grab your secret note.
Okay, that's right. Or do we need to go
Yeah.
to the vault for that?
Nope, you can do it right from here.
And the instance manager, or the access
The
key.
instance manager.
Okay.
And you're gonna want to copy that one. And remember, you don't want to mark this one as sensitive because you want to know which key that you're using.
Right, but the sensitive or the secret we do.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and that's AWS underscore secret underscore key.
Yep. Now I did have a question real quick. I can get rid of this guy.
That's the same one, right? So you could hit a Control X and that'll or cut. Yeah, there you go. Killing
Okay,
it,
and then
and then
this
kill
I
that.
don't need that. Yeah.
Dope.
I just while I was blacked out, I was like, oh, it's not this guy. There we go. What did I not do
Hit Control
correctly?
V. maybe? Huh,
Nope, didn't like it. Well,
weird.
that's okay.
Because you got it right there.
Wait, there we go.
Let's hope you didn't
But you even
mistype
saw me
anything.
hit cut. I know.
I know, I saw.
Right.
Windows does that all the time, man. So. And save variable. Oh, heck yeah, player.
We got this. All right, so
So
from
I'm going to
here,
go back to sharing the screen again because, like, nobody's going to compromise anything with just your access ID and not the secret key, and we aren't going to be accessing that anymore. So.
Ooh.
Go back to the display. So there you go. So you have, let's go back to look at some of these other variables here.
Yes.
And bring up your code, VS Code. So we have a AWS, whatever, right? We have all these fucking things. So let me try to remember what we're doing here.
Oh, yep. Hold on.
Yeah, you're gonna want to change that.
Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, granted, there's nothing there right now, but that's okay.
Right. Well, there will be when we. I mean, we made a lot of progress. I don't know if we'll have it all done tonight, but you know, like
It's all right.
we're making progress. You know. This thing here, the CloudFront SSL ACM ARN, we are going to have to go through a process here to do that, right?
Okay.
So go to your open up a new tab for domain, or wait, you have Google domains already. Go to that.
Sure do.
And click on email there.
I did not opt for their workspace email.
Yeah, you do not want workspace email. Just for the add email alias, click that.
Okay.
And hit asterisk. And then your stubborntexan@gmail.com for the existing recipient email.
Oh my goodness. That's super neat. Okay. Add. Okay. I'm on that one, right? Yeah, okay, good.
So
Perfect.
now go your so to the left, the IAM management console. Click on services. And what the fuck is this thing called? God damn it.
It's fun.
SSL ACM, I think. Amazon Certificate Manager, I think. Try typing in ACM in the search there. See if that yeah, there you go. Certificate Manager. Click on that.
Clicked on it. It just took a minute. I was like, oh.
That's pretty exciting there, isn't it? Click on Get Started.
For provision or private certificate?
For provision certificates. Now, remember that the comment in there said that this has to be in US East 1. So
Correct.
up there where it says Oregon, you're going to want to change it to Virginia.
I did click it. Okay.
Oh, it's you know, they're doing their thing, man. Even though Amazon's half the internet, it's still slow as shit in their console. And then hit request a certificate.
Public or private? I guess it's the only option I have.
The only option you have, yeah. And then type in your domain name, and you don't need the www, just stubborntexan.com. Then hit next. And hit email validation. And don't worry about tagger value. Hit review. Then confirm and request.
I'm so excited. Okay. And then I actually think I have the email over here. Yep. There we go. Welcome to Bitwarden. Welcome to GitHub. Great. There we go. Oh, goodness gracious. It sent it to me 5 times.
Yeah, because it sent it to like hostmaster and
You're so
admin, root,
right.
and
Webmaster,
so you
administrator.
want to know what's funny
Yeah.
is there's actually an RFC. RFCs are made by the IETF, the Internet Engineering Task Force.
Okay.
Their request for comment, where guys that are super duper nerds enough that they are computer scientists that are on the IETF advisory committee come up with an idea for a protocol on the internet, right? And then they request their peers to review the process, just like any peer-reviewed scientist would do, right? And then they, take those comments and edit their findings, and then it gets ratified, and it's an RFC that's an official internet fucking whatever. So the hostmaster, postmaster, all that stuff, those are actually email addresses that technically, if you were to follow the laws of the fucking internet, every single domain should accept mail for all of those mailboxes.
Wow.
But only super fucking nerds like me who have no life and are autistic fucking savants who've, been doing this 20 years, know any of this shit or care about any of this shit.
I care about it.
The older I get, the less I care about it. But so
funnel that care on over this way.
Heck yeah, player. So yeah, you should have approved that. And
so do I click on each link or just the one?
One should be sufficient.
Okay. So go to Amazon certificate approvals. Of course, it opens it up in a different browser.
Well, that's because you have Edge set as your default browser, I think.
That is true. But receive necessary script.
Yeah, I approve.
Right. Just want to show you where I was at. Exciting. I have approved it.
Mm-hmm. Then grab that ARN, that certificate identifier.
Yeah. Grabbed. Bitwarden.
Oh, don't worry about putting it in Bitwarden.
Okay.
And notice that I wasn't hesitant to put that on the stream, because nobody who's not your Amazon account is going to be able to use that to fucking do anything, So it's safe to have on the stream, and just go to your AWS Ghost workspace, and hit configure variables, add variable, and I can't remember exactly what it was. Can you look at code again?
You bet. Can I paste this first?
Yeah. CloudFront, and just copy that too, so you can paste it in there.
Yeah. Oops, not the quotes. Okay, and then
hit save variable.
okay.
And we don't mark it as sensitive because nobody else can do anything with it. Can you go back to the variables file and code again?
Let me close this out. Okay, variables. Yep. Okay. And then
so we need to have a value for glue record, but the thing is, this is hacky, and this was the best way I could do it. There's a bit of a chicken egg problem with this code, the way that it's written right now, where you have to run it to instantiate the Lightsail instance before you can do any of the other fun fucking goodness, right? So,
Okay.
we can handle this a couple different ways. We could, you can go down 2 lines and then hit enter and then hit the up arrow and then tab and make default and then just have default be blank.
In here?
Yeah. Yep, that'll work. And do the same thing for Bastion Cider because I'm pretty sure you do not have a. Actually, type. One moment. One fucking moment. Let me think about this. Do you have a shell account or anything that you like log into with a Unix login that you use for stuff or?
No, or I'm not. I don't believe I understand the question
Okay,
fully. Or
hit backspace
okay.
and then type 169 dot 254 dot zero
169.
dot one
Oh,
161 will work. Anything in that 169.254 is RFC 1918 space, and then you can put a random number, and then /32.
well, let me just completely assume the rest of that.
Yeah, there you go. And hit
Okay.
file save, and then you see how you're in your terminal down there. You have the workspace, but you're not in the directory.
Right. So do I need to?
CD AWS, and then hit tab. Boom. And then type git status just for practice.
Okay. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. So, and you can use git add.
Oh,
See,
add.
it's telling
Dang
you
it.
you need to use git add right there.
Oh, because I should read that. Oh God.
And then
Lesson
dot.
learned.
Yeah.
Yep.
And then git commit -am.
Yeah.
And then I would say adding bogus values to domain glue and bastion. Bam. Hit enter. Now let's go to our Terraform workspace and go to runs.
Really?
Oh, so uh, go go back to code real quick.
Yeah.
Oh, so we didn't git push origin dev.
Oops.
Huh. See, I even forget shit too.
It's all right. Dev.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh. Browse. Any.
Source ref spec does not match any. Oh shit. So you're on main right now, right? Type a git space checkout.
Really? Okay. Enter.
Space no space
Oh.
-b dev and type
Okay.
git pull. Oh, git pull remote dev. Uh, um, fucking see, this is where I'm like get retarded. I should not
No,
have
you're
used that
fine.
word. That was not appropriate. Not just because of me. Like I work with behavioral health kids. I need to remove that from my vocabulary, and I sincerely apologize to anyone offended by that, because that was fucking offensive, despite my foul mouth and everything else, I am very challenged when it comes to my skills with Git. Um, so, can you open up a new tab? This is where Stack Overflow is coming to our rescue.
Okay.
Type Git checkout remote branch. And then Stack Overflow, there you go. Stackify is bullshit. We do not want that.
Okay.
We want
Thank
Stack
you.
Overflow. But they did just get acquired, so it might go to shit. Who knows? Scroll down a little more.
Okay, hold on. Whatever.
Scroll down more. And hit accept all cookies, because that's what's killing my eyes here.
Okay. I wonder if the ratio is off, and if I like made the screen smaller, that would help.
So they're type git fetch origin. So git fetch dev. There we go. Try just deleting dev at the end. Hit up arrow and then delete dev at the end. Sweet. So
So then we still need, wait, go back to Terraform.
So, real quick, go to the AWS Ghost on GitHub.
Okay.
Hit F5.
Okay.
Okay, so here are our changes or staged or whatever. Can you go back to Visual Studio Code and type git status?
Wow, there we go.
On branch dev, nothing to commit, working tree clean. But here we are with our variables.tf. We just fucking modified all that, right? Did you save that file?
I thought we did, but I can go ahead and hit save again.
Change the ones the 254 to 253.
At the very last one.
Yeah.
Okay, and then save.
And then type git status.
There we go.
Cool, sweet. Then type git add dot. And then git commit -am. You might be able to up arrow to where we were from before.
Right. Then just updated
Or
Bastion.
yeah, you could say bogus records for glue and Bastion. Hit enter. Now let's go to the Terraform workspace. Let's see if
and there we don't need to like push like the commit was.
You gotta git push origin dev. Thank you.
Right.
I'm running on a little bit of sleep right now. My kid.
That's all right. Hey,
my kid had me. Oh no, dude! I'm good to go till I gotta leave to go like pick up my kid. Now go ahead and go to the run.
Let me go back. Now.
So hit settings, and then version control. Workspaces with no Terraform working directory will always trigger runs. Always trigger runs. VCS branch dev. Stubborn Texan AWS Ghosts. Hit update VCS settings.
There we go, and then back to runs.
Yeah. Hit a Q plan manually on the right there.
And then just Q plan.
Yep.
Right. Let us see.
Okay, so domain name cannot be empty. So it would not let us create the CloudFront distribution.
Okay.
So we're going to do a fancy dancy little trick. And the thing is, if anybody wanted to like ask me the specifics of this, I would go into a long, convoluted discussion. But we're getting pretty close to cooking with gas, so I'm just gonna save everybody's fucking patience on that. I'm just gonna do it. I need to turn off my screen for a sec. Oh, not that one.
Brown screen. There we go.
Ugh.
This is really, really interesting.
I'm glad you're having fun, man.
I really am. I mean, it's one of those like I don't quite know what all like in depth what I'm working with, but
What's
it's
funny
nice
is
to
it's
be
the
able.
same fucking thing as when I'm on with Brandon, dude. Like I don't know a goddamn thing. Like he just does it, and I'm just like, what the fuck is happening? And he just tells me what to do. I'm like, well, I don't even fucking know what's happening. And
Right, exactly.
it's been years of that, and even though it's been years of him like patiently fucking like helping me like move the ball a little closer to the hole every day, man, like I still am just so incompetent. It is insane. Um,
Sometimes you gotta suck at something first before you can get better at it. Trust me, I've this whole college process has definitely taught me that because wow.
so, um,
What you got?
so I'm looking at your screen right now, and I'm going to
Huh?
send you something in Discord.
Okay.
I send it as a PM.
Okay. Pull those up.
Uh,
There we go.
uh,
Okay. Then do I
you just
add
copy
that
and
as a
paste that,
key?
and you're going to add that as a variable for what is it, CloudFront glue or whatever. Let's look in,
Glue record.
yeah, glue record.
I'm getting the hang of it. I'm getting the hang of
Hey,
it.
you definitely are, man. You're picking it up way fucking faster than I did. And
Ah,
click
okay,
sensitive for right now, just
okay.
because it'll be easier for the stream. But
You bet.
we can fix that later.
We're there.
In fact, I hope that fucking Brandon, with his infinite, superiority, that I'm not saying that in a like a mean way. Like fuck God, I
Yeah, you
wish,
are. It's on
no.
recording.
Well, so like I'm
The thing you're
recording,
feeling.
right? Like this dude, I cannot. I hope that I am half as helpful for you right now, like, or a tenth as helpful for you right now, as that dude has been for me, man. He has been a fucking solid putting up with my ass all the time, man. Dude, I get tired of me, like, after 5 minutes. So, like, anybody who spends as much time tiptoeing through the tulips with me as that dude has, he deserves a purple heart and a fucking sainthood.
Aw, yeah, he's pretty awesome. I appreciate all the help he's sent my way during especially this last semester. There were a couple of projects that I just the light bulb wasn't coming on, like I had everything I needed. It's just, oh, what do I do? And then he just kind of pointed me in the right direction and got it.
Go ahead and
So,
click Q plan manually again.
okay.
And we're going to go back to
Okay. I'm ready for my close up for half of my screen. All right.
Look at
Oh,
that.
hey.
Look at that.
Check it out. Look at that. Oh, man. That is exciting.
You have
And
no
it's like
idea
done.
like how many hours that it took for me to get that. And pain and sweat and tears and toil. Probably would have taken Brandon 20 minutes. Hey, confirm and apply. And I'm going to
Oh,
mute the screen again here
then looks
because.
good to me.
Oh, there you go. You already got it, dude. See, look at that. You're a fucking pro.
Ooh.
You are a DevOps professional.
Oh my God. Uh, sorry, that was like the nervous, like, really? Really, not yet. We'll get there. Oh my gosh, look at that. Little babies.
Now
Oh,
Your GitHub actions are going to fail. So like we're having
okay.
some issues already, but we're gonna work through it. You know.
I'm yeah, I'm excited. This is I don't mean to sound like a broken record, but
Oh,
I'm still very
dude,
much
I am the brokenest fucking record in the world, man. Like, how many times have I ranted about that Ken Thompson and Dennis Ritchie fucking making
but I mean
Unix
if it's
thing? You
got
know.
significance to you, I mean it only makes sense.
My poor wife, man. She
I'm
has heard me tell all of my stories so many times. Cause like I just say them because it comes into my head, you know, like it's like a
yeah,
synesthesia thing or whatever. But she's just like, yeah, I have heard you say that so many times, but you say it every time it comes up.
that's okay. Again, you're not the only one in that boat. I'm glad my partner loves me regardless, because like you said, he's had to hear same stories a bunch of times, but it's all right. All right. So it's still applying. Okay.
Yeah, it's doing some stuff. And then like you could, the part where it says creating, like you can probably click the caret on the left there. This is all new to me. This Terraform 1.0 shit. Like I don't have this interface here. So,
Oh,
and then
well,
where
like
it
I
says
said, I can make.
create failed, go ahead and click on that
Let's
to the left
see what
there.
happened. It failed. Module goes. But if I hit this, will you tell me where? No. Okay.
Yeah, this is not the apply. So this, see where it says beta apply UI. Click the show logs to the right.
One. I shouldn't have. On
Oh,
there.
you're gonna do that a million times, man. That's the whole thing. Click view raw log. Did that open up a new tab or?
No, it gave me a.
Oh, that yeah. This is clunky, man. I do not like this at all.
But I mean, of that. Hold on, let me move this off. Yeah, that's what failed. So if I just do searched of that, maybe
Well, don't. Mm,
in here.
uh, uh, hmm.
Ghost, light sail, nope. Dot AWS. Let's just see. Plan to create. Okay. Oh, there's a lot in here. Let's do it. I should probably move. Oh.
Yeah, we're still muted there. So, oh, the key pair Terraform does not exist. You're gonna need to, um, uh, you're gonna need to create a key pair. Go to the left there to where it has AWS Certificate Manager.
Hold on. Oh, there we go. Okay.
And where it has services, click on that and then click light sail.
Okay.
And it will bring you to a new thing.
Shiny new tab.
Hit save.
Here we go.
Yeah. Hit let's get started. Let's get this party started, dude.
Right? Okay. Hey.
And so it doesn't matter what we pick. Let's just scroll down.
Okay.
Where it says change SSH key pair. Create new. Yeah, create. Whoa, hit cancel. Hit cancel, sorry. And remember, we're in Virginia. We want to be in US West too.
That's what I thought.
Yeah,
okay,
hit cancel
so
there. And close
then...
that whole light sail thing.
Okay.
And go back to the other one and change that to US West 2.
Okay. You know the ARN is an east, or that doesn't matter?
Yeah, that doesn't matter. And then for services, click light sail.
Why?
Services.
I'm supposed to go through all of this.
You have to go to services on the upper left.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then hit light sail.
Why was I even about to go through that again? Jeez. There we go.
Hit create.
Okay.
And then scroll down and change, create new, create.
Wait.
And then
why did it do that again?
Hit cancel. Click on account in the upper right, I guess. Maybe change. Yeah, change to US West 2.
Again. There we go.
Dope. Scroll down again and change SSH. Create new. Create.
There we go.
Dope. Terraform, all lowercase.
Wow. Didn't know there was a P in Terraform.
Hit generate key pair. Download key.
Got it.
You're going to want to put this somewhere safe. And we can... I don't think that you can put it into Bitwarden because you have a free account. Do you have OneDrive? Or Google Drive? Well, you have Google Drive because you just created a Google account. Let's put it in there.
Right.
Just open up a tab and hit drive.google.com. And because you just created, I'm going to go back to sharing your screen again here because, you know, and then you could hit Windows and then E to bring up Explorer and then click on download so you can just drag and drop into here.
Downloads. There it is. Drag and drop.
Boom.
Check it
out. So now even if your computer lights on fire, you know, tonight,
don't even say that.
You have it in Google Drive. So because you're only gonna be able to generate that one time, it's a real pain in the ass. But now go back to your Terraform Cloud Run.
Okay.
And
we go to variables.
Scroll up to the top. And hit Q plan manually.
Plan. So how is it going to know to use that key if we didn't?
Because the default is Terraform. In the Terraform is the default. That's what the error was. The error was we don't have a key named Terraform in Lightsail. So what we just did via the console was created the key named Terraform in that availability zone. And looks good to me. 1 sec here. I'm gonna see if there's a way to.
I'm just gonna mute my mic for a second, but I'll still be right here and I'll still be able to hear you.
Cool, go for it.
Woohoo! Apply finished. No crazy errors this time.
Yeah, so I'm gonna mute the stream again here. Wrong one. There we go. So click the copy paste thing to the right of the server IP deal.
Hold on 1 second. Oh, okay, yes.
And paste that to be in
Okay.
Discord.
Discord. Paste. And so, what wizardry are you gonna do, or what can you do, or
Uh, um, I can't.
And if you need a minute to do it real quick.
Oh, yeah, I do need just a moment. Actually, if you want to take like a 5-minute break, this would be the perfect time. Or 10
Word.
minutes, or however many minutes you want, dude. Like,
No, you're fine. I mean, I know you've got to get your kid here in a little while.
yeah, I have to leave in about 30-40 minutes to go get him. So,
Okay.
um, That's a lot better. Hey, Catherine, are you there? Hey, how's it going?
Good. Sorry if I was gone for too long.
Oh, no worries. So we have
Yeah, what
some
wizardry?
fun and exciting things to do, and I have to get going here really quickly. But I would like to get to where they are. Um, uh, where are we here?
We just ran the ghost dev.
Yeah,
I gave
so
you the
yeah, you gave me that. You're gonna want to go to your AWS console here to the left,
oh,
and you're gonna want to find Route 53. It's down under
okay.
networking and content delivery.
Ah, okay. I was like, I know I clicked it. Do I need to hide services?
Nope, it just takes a minute, even though they run half the internet.
They're recovering from the little hiccup the other day.
Right, right. Click on the hosted zone deal there,
Okay.
and then click on stubborntexan.com. And so you're going to want to copy these name servers right here.
Okay. Like everybody?
Yeah, all four of those,
Oh, these.
and put it into a notepad.
Okay. Not the. Oh, those are different types. Okay.
And then you're going to want to go to Google Domains and click on DNS. And click Use Custom Name Servers. And you're going to
Okay.
want to use that notepad to take those
Can I
name
use all
servers and,
four or no?
yeah, use all four. You want to
I didn't
use
know.
all four.
Oh, I meant, can I be lazy and do that?
No, it will not let you
No.
do that.
Okay.
You also have to take the period at the end of them too.
Okay.
Then hit plus.
Oh, okay. And
And
then get the second one. It was just so easy. You would just take advantage of it. Here we go. And the final plus for the .net. I even have a .co.uk. We are fancy today. Save. Turn off while what?
oh,
Oh gosh, I didn't mean to do this.
hit change name servers anyway,
Okay.
and then go down to disable DNS sec.
Hold on, I just saw DNS. Hold on.
So Shit, I might
Did you
I
actually
might
see it?
actually I might have actually just broke it.
Yeah.
Um, yeah.
That is all right. Because there's no
It's yeah.
registered host. No. Now there, well, that's just the name servers because there was the type A. There's these other guys.
Oh look, oh, oh, CloudFront. So
See, I
let's
can't see
try
your
it.
screen very well.
Um, yeah. Sorry about that. It's probably because of different aspect ratios.
Oh, it's my fault. Remember when I told you I lost the Zoom window earlier? Like I can see where my little green square to show like yours. I can't see. Is that where I think you're at?
Yep.
No. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Oh. No way.
So now, now that we've done the doing four, the fun part you're going to be figuring out is the how to make it work past this point, where I'm going
Oh,
to guide you towards Bitnami has a ghost user manual. And
okay.
also, so remember, we don't have a Bastion host configured for it to connect via IPv4 and SSH. So the way
Okay.
that you would get onto it would be to go to the AWS console and to sign in to like you click on the services tab and then hit freaking
Light sale or no?
light sail, yeah. And then it'll have your instance there, and you can click on it, and it'll say SSH, and it'll let you right onto it.
Oh my
And there's
goodness.
a dealie
So,
where when you first log on, you'll be in the home directory. Then there'll be something like Bitnami credentials. You're gonna want to save that in Bitwarden the same way that I showed you how to do that.
okay. That's exciting. Oh, there we go. Okay. And then storage and connect using. So this is an actual instance. And then, so yeah, so you were saying we have to figure out how to, edit it from here. That's so interesting. So did I miss the part where you were walking me through or telling me how to not just connect to the instance, but actually edit the content of the website itself? Are we not there yet?
Yeah, so like you can. That's what I was telling you is that if you go on to Light Sail console, and then
Okay.
so like I'm not looking at your. Well, that's kind of funny how it flips the screen in Discord. When it disconnect on the screen, turn off camera on Discord. Yeah,
Yeah.
sweet. Because Discord's how we're still talking. But yeah, if you go into Light Sail,
Mm-hmm. I'm at the
it'll
home page.
and then you'll have like instances, and then you can click
Yep.
on it, and then it'll have SSH or whatever.
Okay. Oh, connect using SSH. It is okay. I guess I just need to.
And it'll pop up. So when I use the term bastion, like really as a jump box, as the old school term for it, where you have one machine that faces the public internet and is hardened. You know,
Hmm.
a true bastion is actually you have to be logged on to like the AWS console or the Microsoft console, and the only way to get to it is through that trusted access and context. So this is actually it's actually more secure to not have your machine accessible to the public internet. So
Okay.
via SSH. So that's cool, right? And it
Yeah.
you know, but um, we're still it's a good thing that we saved that SSH credential and. Now,
Yes.
hopefully, I gave you a whole bunch of shit to bother Brandon about.
Yes, like how to change the content of the user blog.
Well,
I mean, I'll
that's
just
what
go,
I'm saying. Like, if you are you on the SSH thing right now?
yeah, and it's got
So I let me get on the stream and turn it off so I can walk you through it. Um, Video capture, turn that off. Type ls and then type cat bit nami and then ap and then tab. Hit enter
oh,
and do the same thing for credentials.
okay.
So you see it's the same, right? Only it's the default username and password is user and example and then that. So you're going to want
Mm-hmm.
to copy that and do the same thing I was saying of making a freaking um, uh, making a Bitwarden secure note for that.
Okay. And
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
then,
whoa.
what?
So we were on the stream with that. So what you're going to do is just go to the login here, stubborntexas.com/ghost
Okay.
/ghost. Bam. And type user at example.com. And then, paste in that password.
Okay.
And hit never for that.
Oh,
But
okay. I will the next time
but
it pops
then
up.
Bitwarden hit yes, save now.
Okay.
And then go to staff.
Jeff.
Mm-hmm. On the left there.
Oh, okay, there you go.
And then that one, the username, last name, click on it. And scroll down. Old password, paste it there.
Gotcha.
And then wait, click on Bitwarden.
Okay. Am I still on the
And
are
then
you still broadcasting?
yeah, but just stay with me for a sec. See generator there? Click on
Yeah.
that. And then you see there's a password there, right? And you could just click copy password. We're not doing that right now in a second because now I'm going to go off stream, hit regenerate password.
Okay.
And also you
Copy that
see
one.
how there's the symbols down there. You want to add the symbols with the checkbox.
Okay.
And then hit copy password. And
Okay.
then paste it in the new and verify field. And hit change password. And then Bitwarden should prompt you, hit never for Google.
Oh, thank you.
And so, yeah, click on that. And then it'll give you an edit.
Oh no, hold on. Not to you, sorry.
Whoa. It doesn't look like your change password went through yet.
It did. It's just when I clicked it, it filled it all out.
Oh.
So let me try because I did hit change password.
You hit change password? Make sure to save.
Before it. Oh, okay. I did not hit save afterwards. So let's try this again. Holy crap.
Change password?
Yeah, hold on just a second because I don't know what the new one is now. So there's the old one.
It shouldn't have changed. It shouldn't have filled in the.
Because I
Yeah,
did.
hit regenerate and then just copy.
Okay. And then do this. Control V. Change password. Oh, shoot.
So for the old password, try putting in the one
I
that
put in
you
the
copied.
original one.
Yeah, try the original one.
That's what was in there. So it updated it to. Hold on. Let me see. How do I? Because I hit this and then it did that.
Hit retry, see what
So
happens.
password is incorrect. See, I didn't hit update now whenever this popped up before.
Okay.
Ah,
So you wanted to see something fun and exciting? Go to
always.
uh, open up a new tab.
Okay.
Download Terraform. Uh, the Terraform Windows executable. Just type in Terraform and it should bring you to the download page.
Okay. Ah, I did not mean to booger that up. Okay. Windows 64-bit.
Mm-hmm.
What?
I don't know why you have exe down to VLC. That's kind of silly.
And neither do I. What on earth? What
Or
in the
you have
heck?
zip. You have zip associated with VLC.
Yeah, that's weird. Okay.
You can right click on it and hit like default or whatever.
Let me see. Open with Windows Explorer.
And then there should be something you can check like do this every time or something.
Yeah.
And when you extract terraform.exe, you're going to want to extract it to C /Windows and then C /Windows /System32.
What on earth? Okay, so it's open archive. Run. It it'll there's like a quick window that pops up and then it disappears.
I mean, doesn't that extract it? I mean, you can show your files here, like, I mean,
Yeah. I'm just well even in oops. So extract, downloads, yes.
so yeah, you already extracted it. You just extracted over it.
Right. So
Then
then
just
when I
open up
do
Windows Explorer, hit the Windows key, and then E twice, so you can drag from one to the other.
because I've got it right. I don't know why it says yesterday.
It's just because that's when they released version 1.0.
Okay.
Don't run it. Open up another Windows Explorer
Okay.
because that's the actual application executable. You already extracted it from the zip file.
Right. So here's
Yeah. So close the AMD 64 zip. You don't need that anymore.
okay.
And open a second Explorer window to see Windows System 32.
Well, that's not. Oh.
I can't see your screen.
Okay. So I'm in the oops, 32.
So leave it just like that and grab the other one and drag and drop the terraform.exe into System 32. Yep. Bingo, bango, Bob's your uncle. It should prompt with the UAC thing. Need to be admin or whatever. Fuck, bam! Yep. Open up VS Code.
Okay.
And go to your ghost dash light sail and open that up.
Okay.
Or wait, sorry, VS Code, the backend.tf.
Alrighty.
And
no.
change your organization from Excelsior to Stubborn Texan. And then change it to, and remember it was stubborntexan.com-dev.
Dash?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep. And then save it.
Save. Okay.
And then you see in the bottom lower left-hand corner where it says dev and then star with a little version control thing. So that's telling you that you're on the dev branch. So you could type git add and then dot.
Mm-hmm.
And then git commit -am. Configuring backend.tf for Stubborn Texan organization or Stubborn Texan org.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Hit enter. And then git push origin dev. Now type terraform space init.
Okay.
And type terraform login. Yes. Yes.
What is that? Hold on. Oh! It just popped up a thing.
Yep. Then you're going to want to say something like my dash workstation or whatever.
Okay. All right. I have that token just copied.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, hello. It's waiting for me right here.
But wait a sec. We're live on the stream. Let me stop that. Go ahead.
Okay, I think I might have done it twice.
We'll hit enter.
On the right click. Okay.
Yeah, so then, just type it terraform login again. And then just paste it one time and then hit enter.
Well, and so should I type yes first though?
You already type yes and then right click.
There we go. And need to. It gave me another token.
But you're. Just hit cancel. Don't generate a new one. Your other one's still valid.
Guess what I did?
Grab the new one then.
Okay, good. So there's that. So I right click
one time and then hit enter. There you go.
There we go. All right,
so type a terraform show.
Okay.
Initial configuration. So hit terraform init one more time. Maybe it is underscore. Go ahead and look on the Terraform cloud. Oh, it's AWS -ghost -dev.
Where are you seeing that?
Oh, wait, see the workstation
right here.
AWS -ghost -dev.
Okay, gotcha. So, what is it again, or what was I?
So go to backend.tf and change the workspace to.
Oh, gotcha. AWS
-ghost. dash dev, and then file save, and then git add dot, and then try to go back to your same commit message just by hitting the up arrow.
Okay.
And then git push origin dev. Bingo bango. And then type terraform init.
Okay. And right, and
type
then
terraform init dash reconfigure.
Enter. So is this remediating the that I did?
Yeah, that's exactly what we're doing.
Thank God. Thank you.
And I'm not leaving until we get it done, because we're not leaving open credentials to the internet. Type. Go up to. Can you hit the caret to the left of Ghost Light Sail?
Oh, yes, I sure can. Ghost Light Sail. Where am I missing it? Hold on. There we go.
And then hit main.tf. And what you're looking for there is AWS Lightsail instance ghost-dev.id. Just copy that.
Hosted. Well, this is
no up there where it has instance name. The AWS Lightsail instance ghost-dev.id. Copy that.
Oh, right here. Okay,
yep.
Thank you.
Not the whole thing, just the AWS Lightsail part.
Okay.
And then click down on your terminal below to put focus on the window. Type terraform space taint, as in the place between your genitals and your butt crack, and then space, right click, and then delete the ID and the period.
Okay. Enter.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Type terraform show.
Okay.
So we didn't really want to expose the IP address, but it's not the end of the world. It doesn't matter. Scroll down to scroll up. Sorry. Up, all the way to the top. We're gonna go all the way to the top. Scroll down. Keep going. So ghost-lightsail-dev.
That's what we had, but
Oh no! Keep on going. Sorry.
Oh, you're fine.
Keep going.
Okay.
Keep going.
Okay. There's a dev origin.
No, that's not it.
Okay. Just guess. What are we looking for?
We're looking for the value of the module, the module value for the Terraform deal, like the resource AWS Lightsail instance .ghost-dev. So the copy the module .ghost that whole thing.
Okay.
And hit the up arrow.
Oh. Okay, hit the up arrow.
and then
Oh,
change it to Terraform Taint. Space, right click.
oh, base. Oh, space. You didn't say base.
All your base,
Enter.
your base. Yep.
I hate how it made the username Kathy.
And then scroll up a little bit. Now what we're looking
Okay.
for is something that says public IP, static IP attachment, static IP attach. Grab that, the module.ghost.lightsail, AWS lightsail static IP attachment, that whole thing.
This here.
No, below. Actually,
Ah,
fuck, grab both of them because then we're gonna change your static IP as well. We're gonna taint the attach and that, so we completely fix the fuck up that we just did on screen.
yikes. I am so sorry.
Oh, it's not. It's my fault. I'm just in a hurry trying to get it done, and I'm being sloppy. And
No, you're fine. If so, I've got those two, the module.ghost, the dev static IP, and
and taint both of
attachment.
those.
Okay, so let me see this one. No, please just work with me. Okay. Just copy that while I'm eating. And then what
Then the static IP
is this?
attachment. Yep, that's it.
Okay. All
And
right.
now go to Terraform Cloud and queue a run.
That's a ghost dev.
And then
Is it this though?
queue plan manually. And it's
Okay.
gonna bitch about a lock because it has a plan going right now.
Okay. I'll still need to. Is this fixing the password issue?
Yeah, it's deleting
Okay.
the instance, deleting the public IP address, and deleting the public IP address attachment, so you can delete the public IP address. So
Okay.
everything that we just exposed, our bare ass to
Mhm.
the internet, is going to be completely replaced with brand new shit. And the next time you and I touch base on this, we will not be streaming.
Yes, perfect. I will not. I'll just log out of all of this
Oh,
and
don't worry about it. The same thing, the AWS console for you can get the SSH via the Lightsail console, and you can get the
okay.
credentials the same way I just showed you. You can just type ls to show the directory listing, and the credentials will be in the bitnami underscore credentials file, and then you could use it to get to work fucking with your ghost instance. It's probably going to take it from when you hit confirm and apply, the apply will
Mhm.
run. Probably about 5-10 minutes after that, you should be able to access the website from the stubborntexan.com. Oh
Wow.
fuck! You're gonna have to. I have to go pick up my kid.
Yeah, dude. Absolutely. Go
Then
on.
then I will have to do a manual thing because it's a hacky fucking whatever, and then stubborntexan.com will work.
That's all right. Do I go ahead and hit confirm and
Yeah,
apply
hit
here?
confirm and apply.
Perfect. I'm
And
just
this
gonna
does
do
not look
ASDF.
good. This is ASDF. This is fuck all. Taint it all.
Yeah.
Burn it down and
Yep.
walk away.
That's how we know. Perfect. I will not keep you.
Oh, you're
I
not keeping me. My own mistakes are.
but still, I'm not trying to have you.
Well,
Have
it
you
was
feel
kind of cool. We
lazy.
had a couple of viewers on the stream. It was fun. Kind of sucks Adam didn't get to come hang out with us, but oh well, maybe another day. But
That's
yeah,
all right.
yeah, you were awesome. You made a lot of fucking progress. You picked this shit up way faster than I did, so don't feel like you're not doing awesome because you are doing way better than I did my first time getting a run through like this with Brandon.
Hey, but I had a good guide to get. I wouldn't have got here if it weren't for you. So seriously, I really appreciate you taking the time and walking me through this. explaining it. But again, I don't want you to. So, I mean, are we good at this
We
point?
are good
I'm
at this point, and I will follow up
perfect.
with you when I return, and we will do the last little
Yes.
thing to sew it up to where you can access it via the internet.
Yay! I will be here. I will just wait for your ping. I'll talk to you later.
Heck yeah, peace out.
Awesome. Take care. Bye.
Goodbye.